Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this yellow shaded right triangle ABC and this blue shaded right triangle BDE put together, as you can see in this given diagram, such that the area of this blue shaded triangle has been given to us as 6 centimeters square. And moreover, this side AB is 5 centimeter. Whereas this tiny side DE is 1 centimeter. And now our task is to calculate the area of this yellow shaded triangle ABC. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. I am going to label this side BC as lowercase x and this tiny side CD as lowercase y. And now, since we are interested in calculating the area of this yellow shaded triangle ABC, and now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height. And in our case, the height of this yellow shaded triangle has been given to us as 5. However, this base x value is unknown. So therefore, now our task is to calculate the value of x. And now let's focus on this blue shaded triangle BDE. And now let's recall once again the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times base times the height. And here we can see the base of this blue shaded triangle is going to be this whole side BD. That is going to be x plus y. So we can write down x plus y. Whereas the height of this blue triangle is 1. And furthermore, the area of this blue shaded triangle has been given to us as 6 centimeters square. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So the area of this blue shaded triangle has been given to us as 6 equals to 1 divided by 2 times 1 times x plus y. So therefore, this could be written as 6 equal to 1 times 1 divided by 2 is going to be 1 divided by 2 times x plus y. And now I'm going to undo this fraction by multiplying both sides by 2. And here we can see 1 divided by 2 and 2 is gone. So therefore, and 2 times 6 is going to give us 12. So therefore, we can write that our x plus y value turns out to be 12. I'm going to label this equation as our equation number 1. And in this next step, we are going to consider these two right triangles, this yellow shaded right triangle ABC and this tiny right triangle CDE. We can see that this angle is congruent to this angle since they are our vertical angles. In other words, if this angle is alpha, then this angle has got to be alpha as well. And moreover, this angle is our 90-degree angle, and likewise, this angle is 90 degrees as well. So therefore, we conclude that these two right triangles, this right triangle ABC and this tiny right triangle CDE are our similar triangles according to angle-angle similarity theorem. And since these triangles are our similar triangles, so we are going to have a proportion. In other words, the ratio of the side length AB and the side length BC is going to be equal to the ratio of the side length DE and CD. And now let's make an observation. We can see this AB segment length is 5 centimeter. So I'm going to replace this one with 5 over here. And now this side BC in our case is lowercase x. So I'm going to replace that one with lowercase x. And now on this side, DE segment length is 1 centimeter. So I'm going to replace that one with 1. And finally, this CD segment is lowercase y. So I'm going to replace that one with y. So therefore, we can write 5 divided by x equals to 1 divided by y. And now we are going to cross multiply. So therefore, 1 times x is going to give us x equals to 5 times y. And now let's focus on this equation 1. And here I have copied down equation 1, x plus y equals to 12. And we just figured out x equals to 5y. So therefore, I'm going to substitute this x as 5y over here. So therefore, after the substitution, we got 5y plus y equals to 12. Let's combine the like terms. So we got 6 times y equals to 12. And now we are going to divide both sides by 6 to isolate y. And here we can see this 6 and 6 is gone. So therefore, our y value turns out to be 2 centimeter. So thus we figured out our y value as 2. And now let's focus once again on this equation 1. And here I have copied down this equation 1. And here we can see x plus y equals to 12. And we just figured out y value is 2. So I'm going to substitute y value 2 over here. So therefore, we can write x plus 2 equals to 12. And now I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides to isolate x. And here they are gone. So therefore, our lowercase x value turns out to be 10 centimeter. So thus our this BC length, which is represented by x, turns out to be 10 centimeter. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this yellow shaded triangle ABC. And now let's recall the area of a triangle once again. Area equals to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this yellow shaded triangle is 10 centimeter, whereas the height is 5 centimeter. So therefore, the yellow shaded triangle area is going to be a half times the base is 10 times the height is 5 centimeter. Let's simplify and multiply. We are going to get 25 centimeter square. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this yellow shaded triangle ABC turns out to be 25 centimeter square. In other words, the area of this yellow shaded triangle turns out to be 25 centimeter square. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.